If you want to unlink your Indeed account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into Indeed. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that is linked to your Facebook. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings menu, look for a section related to linked accounts or social media connections. This is where you can manage your connections with Facebook and other platforms. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the option that shows your Facebook connection. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. After clicking to unlink, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the unlinking process. Once you have completed these steps, your Indeed account will no longer be connected to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Indeed's customer support for further assistance.